cheese. Cheese. No, from Nigeria. Nigeria. From the city of Lagos. I'm from the city of Lagos, Nigeria. 67, 67. I said this is an English question. What is the meaning of the phrase go after? Go after. What is the meaning of the phrase go after? Teddy Mokololo. Thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? South Africa. Wow. One day I would love to visit South Africa. I wish to study in South Africa. Oh, Australia. Australia is good. Josanin. I would love to visit these places. I love South Africa. I also love Australia. Yes. Todvi. Good to have you here. I have a question on chasing Monica. Monica, you are absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct. Chasing is the word. Chasing. Monica, would you like me to keep writing or typing? Yes, Monica, I spot you. I spot you. Would you like me running after something or someone? I guess so. Yes, chasing is correct. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Now the next question I want us to look at is typing. Okay, I'll type. The next one is go against. So hey bro, do you have a job? Yes, I do have a job right in my office. I am in my office right here. I am in my office. I am a professional teacher. I teach sciences and also participating English. Yes, I do have a job. If you do have a job for me, I will still gladly take it. If I do like my job, yes, I love my job. I love my job. I am also an animator. Yes, disapprove. Go against means not to agree. Yes, that is correct, Monica. That is absolutely correct. Ali Balik, I love my job. I love what I do. I should go outside. Why should I go outside? Why should I? So Monica, that is correct. You want to say outside? Okay, no problem. Okay. No problem. But then let me continue with let me drop this question for my people to see. Okay. Go along. All right. Okay, so where is my office? Okay. Yeah, that's yeah, Monica, you are absolutely correct. Okay. The question is go along simply means I'm doing this for Monica and to continue with a plan or activity. Okay, Ali Balik, I would really appreciate if we are friends. Okay, Monica, that is correct. be understanding. Yes, to go along with. If you put it with, then it is understanding, to support. Okay, agree is simply correct. Agree is correct. Okay, our next one is to go. Let me put the next question. The next question is, what is the meaning of the phrase go against? Go against. I'm sure I've placed that before, but this time it has another meaning. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. I am from Africa. I'm also from Nigeria. I'm from Africa. I'm from Nigeria precisely. I live in Lagos State. Lagos, Nigeria. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. I hope you understand that. So to go against, that's the second question. How much do you get? I don't get anything. If you want to support me, it's fine. If you want to support me, that's fine. Well, for monetary value, I don't do it. Oppose. Oppose, that is correct. Disagree. I keep saying it, I'm from Nigeria, and so you guys can support me. Hello. See, one thing, you can support this live by first of all putting up your name. You can put up your name, drop your name in the comment section so that my friend is born there in Nigeria. Yeah. Okay. Pratin Bodoloi. Okay. Please pardon my pronunciation. Now let's go to the next one. I have another question that we can participate in before I go to the maths question. So now, what is the meaning of the phrase go in for? Yes, Ali Balik, you can say what you want to say. You are free. Yeah, India. My sister lived in India for almost 7 years. For almost my sister lived in India. So though she's back in Nigeria. Yeah, she's back in Nigeria. Hoping to go back very soon. The question is, what is the meaning of the phrase go in for? Thank you. My pleasure. It's my pleasure. Choose. Go in for is to choose. That is correct. Hello. That is correct. Stand for. Stand for. Monica. Stand for. Stand for. Monica. That's not correct. Thank you so much, Bodolio. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I will appreciate it more if we are friends. If we are friends and partners. Okay. I really appreciate Monica. That is Monica. You can. The answer was put by. Can you please give me some question? for class 10 final exam. What subject? Is it mathematics? Is it physics, chemistry? What question would you like us to look at? What question? English. Okay. Let's see how far we go. But then just participate in this. Participate here. I'll drop in questions for you. So choose is the answer. Choose. Let me drop in another question so that more people can participate in it. Okay, so today we are looking at phrase, prepositional phrase. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you give me your number. Okay, if you have a pen there, let me call in my number. If you have a pen, or if you can type, if you are ready to type, just say ready, just put in ready. I'll be glad to assist you. If you are glad to type, just put in ready. I'll call in my number for you. Okay. 2 plus 2 3 4 plus 2 3 4 plus 2 3 4 plus 2 3 4. The number I'm calling is my WhatsApp number. Plus 2 3 4 plus 2 3 4 8 0 8 0, right? 6 8 6 8 6 8 5 9 5 9 7 4 2 2. Okay. 8 0 8 0 6 8. First of all, you have to put plus 2 3 4 plus 2 3 4. Step back. Monica plays step back. To go back on means step back. Monica, can you please try again? Okay. Retract. Plus 2 3 4 plus 2 3 4 8 0 6 8 5 9 7 4 2 2. I understand. I can get the point. Okay. Okay, let me try. Did you get it? Okay, retract. Very, very correct. Retract. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I mean the paper with phone number. Okay, Monica, I'm going to write it 9 okay Hey Matt, do you want to have more views? Why not? I want to. No problem. I want to. Monica, okay. Monica, there's no problem. I will definitely reach out to you, Monica. No problem. Ali Balik, no problem. I'm open for more people to come in. Okay. I'm open for more people to participate in this class. Okay, Monica, there's another question that I want us to look at. Give up. The meaning of give up. All right, no problem. No problem. Quit. That is correct. To give up means to quit. That is correct. To abandon. Ali Balik, I don't think he can. Why? Okay. Ali Balik. All right, Monica. The next question is give up on. Give up on. Whatever support that, or whatever thing that you think I can do or to grow my channel, I'm always open. For the meantime, I am doing this to support as many people that want to learn. So we are in for every possibility. Abandon. That is correct. Abandon. To give up on. Yes, Monica, give up on. Okay. The next one is give in. Sir, where are you from? I am from Nigeria. Like I always say, I am from Africa, Nigeria. Yeah, I'm just doing my best. I'm doing my best to involve, to give in. Did I mention give? Thank you, hello, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I really appreciate a lot of you. We'll try to join every time, no problem. I also, not only English, I also give out mathematics. After 2 questions here, I'll go to mathematics. Can you go for a walk? Ali Balik, is it now or later? Okay, is it now or later? Okay, let me give another. I have 2 more questions to give before we go to mathematics. We'll be looking at mathematics after now. Okay, you want me to go for a walk now? Okay, all right. That is correct. Give in is to involve. Singing the Muda. Do you know how much 20 by 47? 20 by 47. Do you mean the multiplication? Shingen Dimuda. Sir, can you say? Okay, let's go to maths. Let's go to maths. Let's look at mathematics. I'm sure my people are waiting for maths. Now, first question. Let's go. Let me put in the question by typing it. So convert the binary number to base 10. 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 Okay. Yeah. 1, 2. Okay. The answer, Monica, you can do it. Let me explain it to you. Each of the number 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Okay, on the 2 put the power 0, 1, 2 and simplify. You'll be able to get the answer. Yes, that is correct. I think if you want to have a lot of it, just go to work. I should take it along and walk, or what? Should I take my video along and walk? Hello, that is correct. The answer is 7. Hello, can you please type it on the comments how you got 7, so that Monica can follow up with what you're doing. Okay, so I want him to also learn how you got your answer. Hello, can you please try your best to explain it on the comment section. Ali Balik, I really don't understand. How do you want me to do it? How do you want me to do it? I'm willing and hopeful that a lot of views can come in. I'm willing and hopeful. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, 1 times 2 square is 4. That is correct. Then plus 1 times 2 raised by 1. Yes. Plus 1 times 2 raised by 0. 1 times 2 raised to power 0. That is correct. Please help to read story writing for class. 10. Give me some common story. Okay. You can look at this story. A story that ends with make hills while the sun shine. Make hills while the sun shine. You can write a story on that. Make hills while the sun shine. The next question I want to put in for more participation is to convert. Let me put in the question. So the question is I'm sorry, just okay, so let's look at the question here. We have 0, 8 square minus 7 square. So hello, thank you for the effort, but I am afraid I might be kind of dumb in this matter. Okay, can you watch football? Ronaldo, Messi? I'm not a football fan. Let me be frank with you. Don't think that everyone is smart in their own way. Why? Wait, I'm making it simple for everyone to participate. I'm making it simple. If we can try our best. Monica, that is correct. Monica, that is correct. I'm not a sports. I don't watch sports. Okay, I spend most of my time watching news on CNN, on BBC, on local TV and all that. I just watch news and follow politics. Okay, I'm not a politician. So Monica, that is correct. Yes, Monica did a good yes, Monica did a good job. 15, difference of two squares. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 times 1 is what? 15. Monica did a good job. The next one I want us to look at is in standard form. Convert 300 to standard form. Convert 300 to standard form. 300, convert it to standard form. Convert 300 to standard form. Well, I can sing. Convert 300 to standard form. Let me put in the next question. Monica, I would have said that is correct. The 100 need to be expressed as an exponent. The 100 needs to be expressed as an exponent. So express the 100 in exponential form, then that is wrong. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Hashif, that is correct. That is correct. Yes, yeah, no problem, no problem. I'm here to guide. So now the next one is the next one that I want to put here Let's look at this question. I have a question. Minus 2 raised to power 5 will give us minus 2. Yeah. No. 16 is wrong. Monica, that is correct. Monica, Hashid, this is for a power raised per minus 1. If you have a power that is a negative power, then it is 1 all over 32. But this is not a negative power, but a negative base. You have a negative base, a positive power. So Monica got the answer correctly. So let's go to science. Let's look at science. Okay, now if we are ready, we can simply put it that we are ready. Let's go to science. Okay, now the first question under science, let's see. What is the chemical symbol for lead? What is the chemical symbol for lead? What is the chemical symbol for lead? That is correct. Dictionary, you don't need dictionary here, but this is not English. It is not English. This is chemistry. We call it chemistry. Okay. It comes from Latin word. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Now, okay, our next question is, okay, our next question is what is the number for what is the proton number for sodium? Thank you for this incredible night. Thanks so much. I really appreciate Yashid. I would really appreciate you if we are friends, if you can follow or if you can subscribe to my channel. Monica, that is the mass number. The proton number is also known as the atomic number. So Sonic, you're welcome. Sonic, you're actually welcome. Monica, yes, what you mentioned is the mass number. and the answer is 11, and 11 is the atomic number, which is also known as the mass atomic proton number. Okay, so now let's take in another question. What is the neutron number of Al? Why does everyone call me Sonic instead of Sonic Edit? I'm sorry, we try to abbreviate the name. Sonic Edit. Is it Sonic Edit or Sonic Edit? What is the neutron number for aluminium? Sonic Edit. Monica, call me Sonic. Yes, Sonic. You are highly welcome, Sonic. I really appreciate. 14. Okay, the mass number for aluminium is 27, while its atomic number is 13. 27 minus 13 is yes, 27 minus 13 is 14. 14 is the correct answer. That is correct. The next question I want us to look at, what is the Sonic? 27 is the mass number, but for the neutron number it is the mass number minus the proton number to be able to get the neutron number. Yes, that is correct. Elo did a wonderful job. So I want to ask this question. A chemistry of carbon compound is known as what? The chemistry of carbon compound is known as what? Sorry, Monica, you can't say that. You are growing. You are growing in knowledge. Okay, a chemistry of carbon compounds is known as what? Okay, let me type. A chemistry of carbon compound is known as a chemistry of carbon compound is known as a chemistry of carbon compounds. Carbon compound is known as what? Organic chemistry. Monica, that is correct. That is absolutely correct. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Okay. Organic chemistry is the right answer. Okay. The next question is, what is the chemical formula for ethene? Okay, let's go to spelling. Okay, let's go to spelling. Okay, I hope Monica will be able to follow up. Let's look at spelling. Number one, Monica, can you follow up with the spelling? Can you follow up with spelling? Monica, can you follow up with spelling? Okay, the first thing to spell is the test. Spelling B. The test. Monica, will you be able to follow? That is correct. Are you sure Monica will be able to follow? I really want her to participate fully. Okay, instead of we going to spelling, Monica is trying to improve in English. I believe we can assist her in the English. Yes, please, Monica, can you really follow up with? I really want her to follow. I want her to participate. Okay, no problem. Okay, now I have another thing Monica can participate. Okay, Monica, I guess you'll be able to answer this. What is the plural of wife? What is the plural of wife? Monica got this answer correctly. Hello, that is not correct. Monica got the answer correctly. So, yes, you are wrong. Yes, it is. You remove the F and add VEX whenever words like that are used. Okay. No problem. We are all following. Wife means belonging to wife. Okay. So now the next question is the plural. What is the plural of axis? What is the plural of axis? What is the plural of this word? Rap, you're welcome. What is the plural of axis? That is correct. Monica, okay, that is correct. Axis, AXES, axis is correct. Okay, the next question is what is the plural of tooth? That is correct. Teeth is the answer. Teeth is the answer. Okay, I'm going to shock you guys now with this singular and plural. Let me shock you. What is the okay, what is the plural? What is the plural? What is the plural of genus? What is the plural of genus? Not correct, Monica. That is wrong. Not correct. That is wrong. Ajulo. Jello. No, that's not correct. Genesis. No. Jealous. No. Plural. We are looking at plural. Okay. Will we get this answer? Who is going to get this answer? Who is going to get this answer? No. It has a plural. Yes, it has a plural. It has a plural. It has a plural. Hello, that is wrong. That's not correct. Okay, should I drop the answer? If you are interested, I can drop the answer for you. If you are interested. Okay. The answer is genera. 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 The plural of genus is genera. Genera. Yes, that's the plural. Yes. Okay. No, not L. There's no L. There's no L. It is genera. No L. Can you type it on the comment section? Yes. Genera. Genera. Okay. Genera. No, not Latin class. We are not doing Latin class. We are still doing English. Okay, let's go to the next question. This one is very simple. I guess you'll be able to get it. The plural of yes. What is the plural? Yes, I know. What is the plural of ovum? What is the plural? No. Not correct. Hello, that is wrong. That is not correct. It's still not correct. The pronunciation is correct. Hello, the last one that you said, but the spelling, there's a letter that is not part of the plural of ovum. There's a letter that you need to remove. I do not mean this ovum. I mean the eggs, the female egg. The female egg. No, it is the L. The L is not part of it. The L. No, it is yes. That is the correct answer. OVA. OVA. Over. Okay. Now the next one, I hope you'll be able to follow up with this one. And it's very tricky, and most people Okay, what is the plural for what is the plural of radius? What is the plural of radius? What is the plural of radius? What is the plural? No. Try again. Hello, try again. If you're able to get it, try. If you try, no. Hello, that's wrong. That is wrong. Okay, try again. Is Monica still with us? Monica. Okay, I am brainstorming mode. Monica, you can try your best to put an answer to that. Okay, it's something that you can get. Try and brainstorm. I'm looking for a way to pass the answer. Okay, what is the plural of it's not radio. This is the right answer. Radar is correct. Radar is correct. Radar. Fortune, you are welcome. That is correct. If it is radia, so I'll start drinking. No. Okay, Fortune got this answer correctly. Fortune got it, and Elo also got the answer correctly. That's the last answer that you dropped is correct. Monica, I hope you're following. The answer has been dropped by Fortune and Elo. Okay, radar is the correct answer. Now let's look at another one. Compounds, the plural of compound nouns. The plural of compound nouns. Okay, we want to look at some of the plural of compound noun. An example of a compound noun is so what is the plural of attorney general? Attorney general. What is the plural of attorney general? What is the plural of attorney general? The question is right on the screen. On the screen, green. What is the plural of attorney general? Antonyms general. That is correct. No, not general. I mean the plural. Monica got the answer correct. Not just general. You must also put the antonym as well. Antonym. Okay. Perfect. Are you able to speak Hindi? Try some. If you can teach me how to speak Hindi, why not? I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to learn. So the answer is Attorney Generals, or simply, yes, you can say Attorneys General, or simply call it Attorney Generals. Either of them can take S. Either of them can take S. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Let's look at, I'll give you two more singular and plural, then we'll go to the next question. So what is the plural of cargo? What is the plural for cargo? Cargoses is correct, but there's still another one that you need to mention. There's still another one. Apart from cargoses, there's still another plural. These are words. This now carries to okay. Christine, where have you been? Christine, where have you been? It's been a while. Cargos. You can say cargos. C-A-R-G-O-S. Or you simply say cargoses. C-A-R-G-O-E-S. Cargos. Or you say cargos. Okay? It's correct. Christine, where have you been? It's been 2 days. You left. Well, Kelvin, you are highly welcome. Now let's go to in school. High school. High school. High school. I hope you're doing well. Ensure you follow up with your lessons. These are very important aspect of our lives. Instruction. To follow instruction is very key in learning. Instruction, that's the first step to learning. Let's go to the last question for singular and plural before we go to another topic. Whatever subject you would like us to put in, I'll be glad to participate or to give you questions on it. Okay, the next question is what is the plural for the word? I'm sure many of you have never heard of the plural of that. What is the plural for the word? So, what is the plural of public? What is the plural of public? What is the plural of public? That is not correct. Public is the plural itself. That is correct. Monica got this answer. Private. Private is not the answer. Private is not the answer. Public is public. It remains public. Bra. I seem not to understand. Ariscot. Public is public. What's up, my man? How you doing? Lots of love from India. I love black people so much. The beautiful creature of God's spread peace and kindness. Thank you. I really appreciate. But the point is, it's not about the skin color, but the content of our brain that matters. Okay, we should be brothers, not because of our skin, but because of what we deliver, what we contribute. Right now, I am contributing my own quarter to the universe. So I'm not looking at the skin. I'm not looking at the. I'm only concerned about the content of our substance, what we give out to the public, right? So thank you very much. I really appreciate. Okay, next question. Let's go to the next question. The question is, what is an acid? What is an acid? What is an acid? Okay, let's put it. What makes an acid? What makes that word an acid? What actually make the word an acid? Christine, I really appreciate. Thank you for joining us. I really appreciate your concern. A type of chemical. Okay, a type of chemical, correct. An acid is a chemical or a substance that contains. An acid is not only a chemical. An acid is present in our food, in our drink, in fruits, the fruits that we take. So it's not just a chemical, it is a substance. In a general term, it is a substance which contains an hydrogen ion. It contains hydrogen ion. Okay, so an acid is a substance that contains hydrogen ion as the only dissociated ion present in it. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. What is the formula for gravitational force? 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 What is the formula? That is Monica, that is the formula for gravity. For force. For gravitational force. Yes, Aristotle, that is correct. That is correct. That is G times M1 M2 over R squared. Monica, that is correct. Crazy Tech, you are welcome. I see you. You are highly welcome. Thank you so much for joining. You've been off for a while, so yes, Crazy Tech, thanks so much. I really appreciate you. Okay, gravitational force, F is equals to mg, or simply put, F is equals to gm1 m2 over r squared. Now, what is the formula for escape velocity? Escape velocity. The formula for escape velocity. Escape velocity. What is the formula for escape velocity? Escape velocity. What is the formula for escape velocity? Hello. Escape velocity. This is the formula for energy. This formula is for energy. This formula is not crazy. Hello, this is no Niraj Pa. Okay, hello, that formula is not correct. Okay, let me call the answer. For escape velocity, it is V equal to square root of 2 times gravity, acceleration due to gravity, times the radius of the earth. Let me call it again. V is equal to square root. In the square root, you have 2 times g, which is acceleration due to gravity, times the radius of the earth, big R. Okay, that is the formula. The next question I want to put in, name at least one type of motion that you know. Name a type of motion. Name a type of motion that you know. Projectile motion. Yes, that is correct. Name a type of motion. Name a type of motion. Name a type of motion that you know. Okay, name a type of motion that you know. Name a type of motion that you know. Pacific. Name it Pacific. Okay, name a type of motion. I will accept projectile motion. Spinning. Okay, spinning is correct. Now, Monica, that motion is called rotational motion. Okay, rotational. That spinning, you can call it rotational motion. This is the motion of a body at a point. The motion of a body at a point. Running, no. Okay, together, running and walking, we can call it linear motion or rectilinear motion. That is the motion on a straight line. Running, harmonic. Harmonic motion. That harmonic motion falls under wave motion. I'm not looking at wave motion. I'm looking at motion of an object, change in position of an object, Choir. Linear motion is correct. That is motion on a straight line. That is correct. Linear. Glass. No. Hello, that is not correct. Linear is correct. Another type of motion, I mean the motion with pendulum. Yes, simple harmonic motion. Yes, simple harmonic motion. Yes, that is Crazy Tech. That is correct. Simple harmonic motion is correct. Okay, we have the motion of a butterfly. That is called random motion. The motion of a butterfly. We also have the motion of a zip, a zigzag motion, zigzag motion. We also have motion of the head of a standing fan, the standing fan, the motion of the head of a standing fan, which is oscillatory motion, oscillatory, to and fro motion. Okay, oscillatory motion, to and fro motion. Okay, that is the motion of the head of a standing fan. Okay, so Brownian motion, random motion, Monica, that is correct. Periodic that is correct. Periodic motion is also referred to as to and fro motion. I accept that. That is correct. Periodic motion. Periodic motion is correct. Okay. Let's go to the next one. What are the terms used to describe? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? Okay. What are the terms used to describe? What are the terms used to describe wave motion? Line. Line. Is line part of it? Marine in Romania. What does it mean? Monica, what's the meaning of that? Amplitude, that is correct. Zubia, amplitude is correct. Amplitude is defined as the maximum vertical distance reached by a traveling body. Gosh, it's been so long I forgot. You can try. Amplitude is correct. Crazy Tech, you can try. Okay, let me give you some of the answers to the question. Let me give you some of the answers. Okay, we have amplitude, we have period, we have frequency, we have speed, we have standing wave, we have standing wave, we have progressive wave, like that. Okay, let's go to let's look at some maths question. Let's go to maths. Grade 10. Let's look at grade 10 maths. Okay, let's look at grade 10 mathematics. Let's go to arithmetic. What is 18 in Roman numeral. What is 18 in Roman numeral? What is 18 in Roman numerals? What is 18 in Roman numerals? 5 is wrong. SIS is also wrong. Crazy Tech, that is correct. Monica, that is correct. Hello Zubia, that is correct. That is correct. Okay, now let's go to the next one. It is SVIII. Okay, our next question is 6372 plus 5849 gives what? What would that give us? 6372 plus 5849. What would that give us? What would that give us? I'm seeing smart guys here. I'm seeing smart guys. 1, 2, 2. Monica, that is correct. Monica got this answer so fast. How are you? Crazy Tech, how are you? Crazy Tech, that's correct. That is correct. Hello, that is also correct. Okay, now this question, let's take this question. Okay, let me type it for others to follow. If one pen costs $2, how much would 3 pen cost? Okay, if 1 pen costs $2, how much I have to go? Yeah, hello, thank you so much, really appreciate. Please do Monica, thanks so much. Hello, thank you so much. I really love if you follow us, if you subscribe to our channels. I really appreciate. That is correct. 6 is the answer. Let's go to a more difficult one. Okay, yeah, I saw it. Let's go to a more difficult one. Let's see. A man buys 3 oranges. A man buys 3 oranges, 4 apples, and 2 bananas. Okay, how many fruits did he buy? How many fruit did he buy? There's not enough space to put the question. 9 fruits. 9. You guys are so smart. You guys are too smart. Let's go. 9 is correct. 9 is absolutely correct. Now the next question is, if you have 5 groups of 3 apples, if you have 5 groups of 3 apples, Crazy Tech, that's correct. You have 5 groups of 3 apples. How many apples do you have in total? How many apples do you have in total? If you have 5 groups of 3 apples, how many apples do you have? 15. That is correct. That is correct. 15. Yes, Zubia. That is correct. Okay, next question. I want us to be very fast at this. Sam had 342 coins. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back. Sam had, somebody please call the cops. Please. My phone is about to switch off. Sorry. Sam had 342 coins. He spent 2. How many coins does he have now? Sam had 342 coins. Sam had 342 coins. He spent 2. He spent 2. How many coins does he have now? How many coins does he have now? That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Okay. Crazy Tech, Monica, that is correct. Zubia, that is correct. Let's go to more questions. I need you to get a pen. I need you to have a pen because I want to call a very surprising question. If you are with your pen, this question: which number comes next in the series? Which number comes next in the series? Which number comes next in the series? Okay, go and get a pen. I'll give you 2 minutes to get your pen. I'll give you 2 seconds to get a pen. Which number comes next in the series? Which number comes next in the series? 2 2 3 1. 2 2 3 1. The next one is 2 3 3 1. The next one is 2 4 3 1. Let me type it. Let me type it. The first one is 2 2 3 1. 2 3 3 1. The next one is 2 4 3 1. Then the next one will be what? I didn't know that you guys are following up so smartly. You guys are absolutely correct. You guys are very, very correct. Now let's take this number. Yeah, Cookie, you are welcome. Let's take this one. The question is, what number would fit in the blank? What number would fit in the blank? 5, 10, 15, dash 25. 5, 10, 15, dash 25. 20 is correct. 20 is correct. Monica, Crazy Tech, Zubia, That is correct. Let's go to the next one. This question is for fastest finger. Cookie is correct. What is 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10? What is 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10? More answer, more answer, more answer. That is correct. That is correct. 80 is the right answer. Where is Monica? Okay, Monica also got it correct. This man is happy. Okay, let's go on with the next question. 80 is correct. What is the outcome? What is the outcome of multiplying 5 by 9? What is the outcome of multiplying 5 by 9? Yes, I accept it. What is the outcome of multiplying 5 by 9? That is correct. 45. 45 is correct. 45 is perfectly correct. Okay, the next question. If you divide, if you divide 36 by 6, what is the quotient? If you divide 36 by 6, what is the quotient? You guys are very smart. 6 is perfect. 6 is the correct answer. Okay, for the fastest finger, what is the sum of 23 plus 17? For the fastest finger, what is the sum of 23 plus 17? For the fastest finger, 40. Monica. Monica won this section. Monica won this section. 40 is the answer. Now for the fastest finger, if you have a pen, I want you to write this. What is the correct ascending order for the following numbers? What is the correct ascending number for the following numbers? 15, 32, 5, 27, 10. 15, 32, 5, 27, 10. Yeah, Hashid, you're welcome. I see you. 15, 32, 5, 27, 10. For the fastest finger. For the fastest finger. For the fastest finger. Yeah, Ashid, good night. Please do it to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, Saja, okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate the question is, what is the correct ascending order for the following numbers? 15, 32, 5, 27, 10. 15, 32, 5, 27, 10. For the fastest. Oh, have you answered already? No. Crazy Tech, that is the no. The correct ascending order. The correct ascending order. 15, 32, 5, 27, 10. Ashit, you got my back. I got your back. Thanks so much. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. You still have my contact. Please do well to message me. Message me. Let's talk from there. Okay. Let's talk from there. We will always communicate. No, Saja, these are series of numbers. Okay, let me put the question. It is for the fastest finger. Let me put it on the wall. Let me put it there. 15, 30, 32, 5, 27, 10. The correct ascending order. It has to be a series of numbers. They said, what is the correct ascending order of the following numbers? Okay, you can drop in your numbers. I will write it out. I'll copy it from here. I'll message you myself. It is a series of numbers. What they are saying, you should arrange these numbers in ascending order. Monica, you did arrange it. You did arrange it too. I use a different number. Use different numbers. You have to arrange it in ascending order. You have to arrange it in ascending order. You are using the same numbers, but you must arrange it. Zubia got this answer correctly. The fastest finger. Okay. Hashit, I'll message you. Hello, that is correct. You got the answer rightly. That is correct. Okay. What they are saying, we should arrange the number. Okay. Yes, I'm sure you have my contact. Okay, let's go to times table. Let's go to times table. Let's look at multiplication. Let's look at multiplication. Okay. Yes, crazy tech, your comments are saying. You can see you. Okay, Ashit, I will message you. Since you already have my contact, there will be no problem. I'll message you. Just drop in your sending a message. I will message you. Just drop in. I will definitely message you. Okay, for the rest of us, let's go to multiplication. Let's look at multiplication. All right, I'll do it. Did you drop in your contacts, or have you messaged me already? Yes, I will definitely. I will definitely message you. Now the question is, let's look at 38 times 18. What is 38 times 18? What is 38 times 18? What is 38? We are looking at multiplication. What is 38 times 18? I can see your message. Crazy Tech, I can see your message. Zubia, I can also see your message. I can see your message. Drop in your answer. You see that I can see your message. Why not? Yes, your messages are here. I can see it. Okay. Ashid, I will save your number. I'll save your number. Just drop in your number. I'll save it. I'll definitely. Zubia, that is correct. Now the next question is 90 times 90. 90 times 90. 90 times 90. 90 times 90. 90 times. That is correct. Monica, Crazy Tech, that is correct. Zubia, I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. Hello, that is our previous question. The next one is 90 times 90. That is correct. Zubia, that is correct. Yes, that is correct. Our next question is I'm just being skeptical in bringing questions, but then let me go on. Ashit, I really want to finish up. I have like 17 minutes to round up this section. I'll message you. Definitely I'll message you. Okay, just be patient with me. Bye. I'll message you. I still have Monica here with me. I have Elo with me. I have Crazy Tech with me, and the host of others. So I need to okay. Now the question is 11 times 22. 11 times 22. Fastest finger. 11 times 22. Hello, we already had another calculation. Yes, that is correct. Monica is the fastest finger. Monica is the fastest finger. Monica is the fastest. Okay, Monica is the fastest finger. Monica 242. 242. Okay, let's go to this question. Let's look at this question. 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 3.5. 0.5 plus 3.5. Yes, we'll go to addition after this. 4. Monica is right on point. 4 is the answer. 0.5 plus 3.5. Monica. Okay, let's go to addition. Let's go to addition. Addition of numbers. Now addition of numbers. Let's drop in the word. Saja. That is wrong. That is wrong. Addition of number. Okay, you keep me away from. Definitely, my duty is to keep you away from. My duty is to keep you away. Is to engage you right here. Knowledge is power. You've heard it. Knowledge is power. Okay, so let me go to. Let me. Should I bring trigonometry? or geometry? Trigonometry or geometry? Or we'll stay on Callisus. Yeah, Zobia, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. You guys are really you are making me to feel that yes, what I'm doing is great. So I really appreciate you guys. I know one day we will meet. I know one day we'll meet. Okay. Now the question is, let's look at this question. Okay, I'm trying to get in some nice question that will not be so difficult for our thinking. This is the fastest finger. Okay. Okay. The question is, what is the sum? What is the sum of 7 plus 5? Fastest finger, 7 plus 5. What is the sum of 7 plus 5? Fastest finger, 7 plus 5. Monica came first. Hello, don't retract your message. Okay. Now this question, if Sarah is 10 years old, please listen carefully. If Sarah is 10 years old and her brother is half her age, her age, how old is he? How old is he? If Sarah is 10 years old. Hello, got this correctly so fast. Monica came second. Zobia third. Crazy Tech, where are you? Okay. Now the next question is yes, Crazy Tech 5. Please listen carefully. How many more chocolates? How many more chocolates does Sam need to make it 13? If he already has 4, how many more chocolates does Sam need to make it 13? If he already has 4. Monica, that is correct. Crazy Tech 9 is correct. That is correct. Next question, what is the value of 17 minus 15? 17 minus 15. 17 minus 15. Fastest finger, 17 minus 15. 2. 17. 1 and 7. Monica, 1 and 7. Hello, got it. Crazy Tech came second against Monica. Misinterpreted. Okay. Okay. Monica, it will take our time. Okay. I'm trying to be fast because we need to be fast. I have 5 more questions to give out. What is the value of 6 multiplied by 6? What is the value of 6 multiplied by 6? What is the value of 6 multiplied by 6? That is correct. 36. That is correct. That is correct. Hello, Monica, Crazy Tech. That is correct. I have this question for you. Listen attentively, listen carefully. If I had 15 pence and I lost 10, how many pence do I have now? If I have 15 pence and I lost 10. Hello, Goddess, answer correctly. Monica came second. Crazy Tech, where are you? Third. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, how much does 12 subtracted from 38 equal to? How much does 12 subtracted from 38 equal to? How much does 12 subtracted from 38? Monica. Somebody hates me. Well, no problem. I like you. Even if you hate me, it's not a problem. Monica got this fast. Oh, that is AI. Okay. Monica got it so fast. Zubia, thanks so much. I really appreciate. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate you. Okay, Monica, we have 3 more questions to call it a quit. Okay, the question is, which of the following is not, okay, not this, not this, not this, not this. Which 2 coin, okay, sorry. Hello guys, I want to say that we have exhausted all our questions for today. I hope we see you tomorrow. I really appreciate you guys. I want to say thank you, Monica, Crazy Tech, hello, and many others who participated in this. I really appreciate you. It's midnight 1 already. Got to sleep. Ken, see you tomorrow. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you. I say thank you. I hope I made your night so wonderful. I made it so wonderful for you people today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, Monica. I wish to discuss more with you so that we can build on our English classes. Okay, Crazy Tech. Yes, Ashba, I'll meet you. I will contact you. Thanks so much. Thank you.